Welcome to the GEN3 Support Center. This is the first installment of Tip Tuesday. So number one is fixing a rear flat. Step one is going to be removing the rear wheel from the bike. Removing the rear derailleur guard and the axle cap. After removing the original inner tube, check the inside of the tire by running your fingers very gently along the inside of the tire to make sure that whatever caused the flat initially won't cause another flat once you put the new tube in. The new tube should be inflated just enough so it has a little bit of shape to alleviate the possibility of the tube getting pinched inside the tire before you even go to inflate it. After you've installed the tube in the tire, replace the bead again on both sides of the tire, checking to make sure that it has engaged with the hook properly. You want to inflate the new tube to about 15 or 20 pounds so that you're able to check the bead again to make sure it is seated properly in the tire. Once you've done that, go ahead and inflate it the rest of the way to whatever your desired air pressure is. Put the wheel back in the bike. Reconnect the motor. Don't forget to put your axle guard back on and your rear derailleur guard right before you get everything back together. After that, go take it for a ride. Join us next week back here in the Support Center for Tip Tuesday number 2.